And welcome back, everyone. We want to bring up today on the breaking news we've been tracking since the top of the hour. Jasiel Correia, the former Fall River mayor, found guilty 21 out of 24 charges in federal court in Boston. And during the break, Tim, you're monitoring developments as they're happening in the courtroom. What's the latest?
Well, we know that the government did not ask the judge to send Jasiel Correia to prison right away. We had talked about whether or not they thought he'd be a flight risk. They think he's kind of a flight risk because they asked the judge to equip Correia with a GPS monitoring bracelet. The judge agreed to that so they can monitor his comings and goings, but they did not want to detain him at this time.
Okay, so the jury has been released from the courtroom.
That's right, they're out of there.
The judge was also encouraging the jury members not to speak to the media specifically, right?
As we were listening in, you know, the jury's now free to talk to the press if they want to reporters, and the judge sort of implied maybe that might not be in your best interest, but often we want to know what was going on in the jury room during those deliberations when you came to those decisions. So each juror have to make their own choice on that.
All right, and next steps for the afternoon hours, we're expecting to hear from the U.S. Attorney's Office, possibly as well from Jasiel Correia's personal attorney, correct?
Yeah, and again, I don't expect Jasiel Correia to talk when he leaves court. You never know. He might do that. He has talked in the past. But then months down the road, it looks like in September, Danielle, we are going to learn what his ultimate fate is when U.S. District Court Judge Woodlock sentences Jasiel Correia, and we'll see if he is given prison time at that time.
And you know, what was interesting to note is our viewers cannot see the live feed, but you were watching. What was Jasiel Correia's reaction as the guilty verdicts were being read?
No emotion, Danielle. He stared straight ahead as 21 guilty counts were read. Again, he didn't show any signs of emotion during that time. So, you know, it was really interesting. And again, it is fascinating to see this Zoom and the number of people.
Yeah, how many people are watching right now, Tim?
We are at 426 people tuned in to the Zoom proceedings for his fate here for the guilty verdicts.
Certainly a high interest level specifically in the Fall River area over the past couple of days while the jury was deliberating. So again, we'll have continuing developments throughout the afternoon on WPRI.com. We'll be carrying those news conferences live on our website.